So whenever I face hair problems like dull, dry and frizzy hair, L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 always comes as a rescue to repair my damaged and dull hair. So talking about my hair texture is that I haven't done any smoothing, straightening or any kind of coloring on my hair, and my basic hair are very thin and straight by nature, and I used to curl my hair and I used to straighten my hair when I need proper straightening. Then I used to straighten my hair, and also the holding spray to hold that style in place for the longer period of time. And due to these heating tools and the pollution these days, and also due to these kind of sprays, my hair condition has become really bad. These kind of sprays are so strong in nature and they can cause more damage to the hair, and they can become dry and frizzy in the long run, and that's why my hair have become more dry, frizzy, more brittle and more unmanaged. And that's why I have to wash my hair more often than before, and I used to wash my hair 3 days max a week, but now I have to wash my hair 5 days a week or even every day to maintain the nourishment of my hair and to remove the setting sprays from my hair. Also I have to wash my hair, and that's why my hair have become more dry, frizzy and brittle. And all these tools in the long run may adversely affect the health of your hair, and they will take away the shine and gloss from your hair. Like always, I turn to L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 to solve my hair problems and to restore the nourishment of my hair and to make them more bouncy and shiny. And it definitely has solved my problems of hair, making them healthy and smooth. And now the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range is even better as it has keratin excess in it. I have heard a lot about the keratin and how the keratin is good for your hair, and I researched a little more about the keratin and if there are any products available in the market that has keratin present in them, and that's how I landed upon this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range again. And as it has keratin XS in it, and now it is infused with keratin, and that keratin will deeply penetrates into the hair to restore the nourishment of the hair, and that will effectively repair the damaged and dull hair, and hence giving the effective and desired results for the hair. The L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range is a one solution to 5 hair problems, and the 5 problems that I faced for my hair are brittleness, dehydration, straw-like texture, split ends and the stiffness on the hair. And all these problems are being solved by using the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. I'm going to pour some water on my hair. I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo on my hands, and now I'm going to apply this shampoo on my hair to completely cover my hair from the root to the tips of the hair. And as you can see that it lathers really well, and now I'm going to completely wash off my hair with the water so as to rinse the shampoo completely from my hair. Now as the shampoo has been done, I am going to take the L'Oreal Paris Restoring Conditioner to nourish the hair a little more to restore the nourishment of the hair. Now I am applying this conditioner from the mid-length to the end sections of my hair, and now leaving the conditioner in my hair for a minute or more, and then rinse it off with the water completely. And now I am going to towel dry my hair after the conditioning. And you can see that just after using the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 shampoo and the restoring conditioner, my hair texture has already been improved. My hair have become more smooth and more manageable. As you can see that my fingers are not stucking in between my hair, and they are looking a little bit shiny and smooth and more manageable and also healthy. And now to maintain this smoothness, I am going to apply this serum. This is a L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. I am taking a few drops of the serum. This has a water-like color. Just rub this serum between your hands and apply this from the mid-lengths to the ends of your hair. See how shiny my hair are looking after the application of serum. And just leave it in the hair as this is a leave-in treatment for the hair so that it can repair my damaged and dull hair in the long run. I am going to leave this in my hair as it is and let's see how it goes. I can't resist touching my hair as these are so adorable and these are so manageable, so healthy, so shiny and so frizz-free after the use of this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. I was facing the hair issues like dry, dull and brittle hair, and due to the heating tools and the polluted environment, my hair condition was getting really bad day by day, and that's why I was in the search of trying out some good products that have the sense of repairing my damaged and dull hair and giving the nourishment back to my hair. And this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range that is infused with Keratin XS has definitely solved my problem of dry and damaged hair. The price of this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo is Rs 179 for 192.5 ml of quantity, and the Restoring Conditioner is priced at Rs 209 for 192.5 ml. That is the same quantity as the shampoo. And now the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Serum has the price of Rs 175 for 40 ml of quantity. The links for the purchase and price of the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range is mentioned in the description box down below, and you guys can check it out from there. And now I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range in my weekly hair care routine as it has solved my hair problems and my hair texture has been improved. My hair have become more shiny, bouncy and more healthy, and I want to use this in the long run as I feel that on a regular basis it will give more effective and more desired results on my hair. So guys, that's it about today's video, and today's video was all about the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range, and this range has a L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 shampoo, conditioner and a serum in it, and I'm totally impressed with this range on my hair as it has repaired my damaged hair, and you should definitely try this range. And now it has the Keratin excess in it. So guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.